Good morning and best wishes to all of us. Thank you for taking the time to attend today with the Aquagenome press conference. We really appreciate the presence of media colleagues, partners, and all invited guests who have come to support this event. On this occasion, we will convey some important information regarding the latest development, commitments, and initiative from PT Aquagenon in supporting the health of the Indonesian people and environmental sustainability. Aquagenon is committed to always providing quality products that can meet people's hydration needs as well carrying out environmentally responsible business practice. We will start with a topic about the company which will be explained by myself, Anasti Amanda Ushafira, as Public Relation of PT Aquagenon. Thank you, and I hope today event provides insight and inspiration for all of us. Tenor Aqua is bottled drinking water or AMDK and bottled soft drinks company in Indonesia which was founded in 1973. Tenor Aqua is one of the business groups in Indonesia. Danone itself is the largest food and beverage producer brand in the world, which is headquartered in France. Danone Aqua developed four main categories within the company, namely first milk products, early life nutrition, water, and medical nutrition. This company is located at Cyber 2 Tower, 12 floor, Kuningan South, Jakarta. Jenner has a vision of one planet, one health, and a mission to bring health through food and drink to as many people as possible. Our story in Indonesia started with the presence of Sari Husada in 1954 and Aqua in 1973. Danone has a compass called the Danone Impact Journey, namely a commitment to improve long-term nutritional and health impact through quality products in line with our commitment to preserving and regenerating natural resources and ensuring the empowerment of community around us. The organizational structure of this company, which is specialist and spread out, indicate very close cooperation and is interconnect with each other so that it can facilitate the company to achieve its vision, mission, and common goals. The following is the organizational structure. Tenor Aqua also implements the values that are upheld by every general employee, namely harmonies, openness, proximity, and enthusiasm, known as HOPE. These values are implemented by every employee to achieve an even better company. Tenor focus on developing local and regional talent. There are various programs to enhance employee careers. Each employee is encouraged to shape their career path by moving across function, context, and culture. Mobility is determined by considering employee personal situation, their aspiration in terms of career advancement, and organizational needs. PT Aqua Jenner has carried out several projects including first, Jenner Aqua officially announced the achievement of the hashtag Satu untuk 10 program which has been running since 2016 as of last November 54, 1892. Indonesia people spreads across 45 villages in Central Java and East Java now have access to clean water at home and do not need to more relying on water sources that are fair away of or of poor quality. Hashtag Satu Untuk 10 has also empowered up to 45 drinking water supply system management groups or TSEAM, ensuring that the goodness of this program continues to flow for years to come. The hashtag Satu Untuk 10 program is part of the Clean Water Access and Environment or WAS program, which is a form of Dana Aqua commitment to continue to convey goodness to the Indonesia people through increasing access to clean water and environmental sanitation. In its implementation, Dana Aqua collaborate with Water ORG as the pioneer of the water credit scheme. In simple terms, this scheme empowers KPSAPAM to be able to develop and manage access to clean water independently by applying for funding to local financial institutions. Second, Tenor Aqua, in collaboration with the government and UNDP, launched the Credesi programs as part of effort to continue to strengthen commitment in reducing and managing plastic waste in collaboration with the Nation Development Programs or UNDP and the National Coordination Team for Handling Marine Waste or TKN General Acquiescing Memorandum of Understanding or MOU in support of the Indonesia Arms and Waste Collection Movement or courtesy program, which coincided with the launch of the programs in Labuan Bajo, is Nusa Tenggara. The signing of the Memorandum of Understanding was also witnessed directly by the Ministry of Environment and Forestry and thirdly by the Ministry of Environment and Forestry and the West Manggarai Regency government. There are similarities and gradasi, vision and mission with the hashtag Bijak Berplastik, commitment launched by Turner Aqua in 2018 to tackle the problem of plastic waste in Indonesia. Regarding this, Karyanto Wibowo, Sustainability Development Director of Danone Indonesia, said that the aim of the cross-sector collaboration is the change people behavior in reducing, managing, and sorting waste through implement in a religious approach as a driver of a circular economy. Next, third, Danone Aqua Danone is committed to providing transparency in every aspect of its operation. One form of this commitment is realized through the submission of the 2017 and 2018 Danone Aqua Sustainability Report, bringing good for Indonesia progress. The report submit to the public and stakeholder explain the achievement of Danone Aqua vision, strategy, and sustainability performance over the last 2 years. This report has also success in receiving a gold category award in the Asia Sustainability Reporting Rating in 2019. Next, Beauty Aqua Journal has won several awards in the last few years, including 2023 highest predicate in Indonesia Green and Sustainability Companies Award 2023 organized by SVA Media Groups with the theme integrating green and ESG principles into business, a pathway for sustainable success, inclusive recycling. Indonesia get the Indonesia CSR Award 2023. General Indonesia gets an award in the food and beverage sector from the in economics. 2022 best company to work for in Asia, the largest aqua in Asia and the first FMCG in Indonesia to be Corp certified since 2018. 2021 best company to work for in Asia, the largest aqua in Asia, the first FMCG in Indonesia to be Corp certified since 2018. 2020 Gold Proper Award for two Aqua Factory and Green Proper Award for a Aqua Factory from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry of the Republic of Indonesia. Next, what you need to know are the benefits of working at the Aquagen company. Channel is Aqua for people who want to make a change. We welcome different idea and way to achieve our goals. You will have the necessary autonomy and flexibility to work as best as possible and implement your idea and initiative. Take responsibility with your career path through full support from our leaders and the wide range of self-development opportunity available. Every employee holds a major role to develop and grow at Danone. At Danone, we embrace a dynamic environment. We enhance synergies as one Danone. We put our employee first. You will join a team of a professional deeply committed to diversity and inclusion maximize each person's potential in developing, joining the Aqua Group or Genet groups. Open the doors of opportunity and challenge for career at national, regional, and international level. Donors can shape their own career and contribute to business performance. Everyone has equal opportunity to grow, reach their potential, and explore their creativity. Share employee and company vision, grow Aqua's leadership through a focus on sustainability of products quality, service, customer satisfaction, and social responsibility. Thank you to media colleagues and all attendants who took time to attend today's press conference. We hope that what we have conveyed can provide a better understanding of PT Aquagenon's commitment and step in supporting health and sustainability in Indonesia. If you have further questions or need additional information, our team is ready to help you after this event. We hope that good cooperation between PT Aquagenon and all parties will continue in uh, the future. Once again, thank you for the presence, and I hope we are always in good health and full of enthusiasm to realize our common goals. Good afternoon, and see you again.